Oo, si top beat.
Yo, listen, I mark Liam on skull, Can 42-43 mark Liam skull. Yo, Shaper,
Mark.
Shaper, careful, Shaper.
Naka-invest
Okay,
good si Liam.
Nasaan si
May
Top Beat?
brawler sila.
I wanna mark Top Beat. Yeah, they have brawler. Yo, help my Everyone, get ready. Wait. Wait. My clap only, my clap only. Listen, I'm not asking my brawlers to engage with me. Only my clap engage, okay? I'm looking for Top Bean. Where's Top Bean? So I can mark him. Yo, Jug, lapit ka onti sa amin. Yeah, I can't see him. Lapit ka onti sa amin. Yeah,
Top beam coming.
Top Bean coming, Careful. Wait a bit. Yo, get ready to headbutt on the jug. Just wait. Can I have some baits outside? Everyone get ready. Wait, just look at the jug. Just wait.
Wala din sila.
Yeah, careful at bomb. They have a bomb. Just careful. Yo, have to get po. Ready. Everyone on the jug. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the jug. Now come back fast. Heal up frontline. Heal up my whole frontline now. Everybody come back inside. Tanks, you don't have to swim yet. Listen. You don't have to swim yet. Okay, just wait. Everyone come southeast. Let them smash the gate. Yeah, Shaper, come southeast. Yo, Shaper. Yeah, see, that's what I'm talking about. Just come southeast, man. There's literally no need for you guys to stay up going that deep. Just chill. After engage, just come back. That's it. No need for people to die. Spread southeast side. Wala, hindi mo ginamit boots more pots mo eh. Masakit yung Shaper talaga, okay? Spread southeast. Let me smash.
Shaper.
The Shaper spread. Shaper coming. Dude, are they not gonna smash the gate? Why is Razi dead and why is... Oh my god.
Sa Shaper.
I had people actually die on that fucking Shaper. That's fucking crazy. No, can you guys spread southeast? Let the Shaper, let them come. Let us smash the gate, man. We're not gonna be able to move forward if they don't smash the gate. My battle must just chill. Just let them smash the gate. Yo, careful, the Shaper might come northeast, Yo, same.
Jo, tanawang
Okay po.
shaper Jo.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper stacking. You heard that shit. Careful, the people. Nobody should be fucking dying to the Shaper. Okay, yo, the gate has how many percent? 53% on the gate, okay? My brawlers mount up. My brawlers and some of the healers in the 2 and 3 mount up, okay? Tanks, get ready to walk in, okay? Listen, we're gonna let them engage inside, The moment they engage inside, I want all my tanks to hold them down, okay? Then Daddy B, ako mag-fake Daddy B, pag nag-walk in sila. Okay, just chill. Just wait, bro. Let's just wait. Shaper. Use your boots, man. Wag nyong try dodge and please. So just use your boots, man. There's nothing wrong using your boots. Just let's spread. Let them engage inside. Let them come inside. Everyone, let them come inside, man. Let them come inside. I swear. Spread south more. Okay? Chill. Bago naman na ito. Yo, defend shallow. Garden shallow. Help front. Everyone on the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. On me only. Come back. Kipo, masyado mong in-overstay yung ano mo dun.
Shaper stacking.
Okay, spread out. Shaper gonna come. Spread. Cleanse. Shaper. Oh my god, guys, wake up. Let them fucking engage inside, man. Spread southeast. Let them walk in. How many times? Let them walk in. Tanks, just watch them. That's it.
Laughing Boulevard, dito may DA, hindi ko nakita.
Yeah, they have a solo bomber and a 6-3, okay? Yeah, everyone come inside, okay? Yo, my brawlers just stay mounted, okay? My brawlers just stay mounted, You can play
Laughing Boulevard.
come
Laughing
inside.
Boulevard.
Yeah, what's this way? Yeah, I need one healer in my party except. Yeah, come. Just wait, south, just wait. Let them in. Tams, let them in. Okay, just wait. How many percent are they na? Are they a lot more na? Okay, level 16, sige. Are they inside? Just let them come inside.
Level 2 yung Laughing Boulevard.
Where are they?
Oo, si Mu.
Bong King. Bong Artist.
Yeah, no. Where are they?
Sa ano?
Northeast? Okay. Yeah, listen, come. We engage over the wall, okay?
No, I mean southeast blob.
Yeah, everyone, over the wall north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall. Come back fast, boys, come back fast. Let them come in. Nobody should be dying. Listen, brawlers, you can come from the other side of them. You spread, get out of the gate. Let them come in.
Going northwest.
Going northwest again.
Icard, DC you,
Stepping up.
OC na ba, Mugi?
Yeah, chill.
Icard!
Wait a bit. Chill.
Just
I'm waiting
engage.
for them to step up.
Shaper is stacking again.
Shaper stacking Yo, listen, I'm just inside. Okay. yo, everybody there in the north side, just wait. Why are they not going inside?
They're going in now.
Okay. Just wait. Listen, just wait. Okay, just wait. Brawlers, be ready. Tanks, be ready. Just wait. Everyone spreads outside. I want to try something.
Stacking again, Shaper. North.
Spreads outside. How many percent is the gate? Gate 77%. Just wait. Just wait. Listen, if this gate breaks and they engage like inside, I want everybody to, all my brawlers dismount behind them. We're gonna full push, okay? Just wait.
Mag-fake ako online mo, pag mabalik yan ah.
Hindi. If mag-fake ka habang nag-walk in tayo, huwag kang mag-fake habang ano. Okay? Yeah, let them smash it.
bomb.
Yeah, they have a 6-3 Badon bomb, okay? High card, oh my god. Everyone come not shallow on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, not shallow. Come back fast. Did high card die?
No.
Kasad. You guys are fucking wasting, man. Just let them smash it. I'm having unnecessary deaths. Let them smash the gate.
You can bomb shallow, high guard.
Yeah, no need to go deep, man. Just chill. Careful.
Shaper again.
Shaper might come, Yeah, this is Shaper. Yo, everyone look at north side shallow. Shallow only. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow only. Now come back fast, okay? Ready defenses, Ready defenses on the gate. Come back. Everyone come in. Nice, okay. Just hold. Heal up only. Okay, just chill. Just wait. I'm chilling.
Keeper might come, mag-go ball.
Yo, get out of the wall, Marlika. Get out of the wall. 17%.
Magsabi ka mag-over the wall ka, maglalabas ako.
Yeah, listen, Icicle, pa nag-engage sila deep, right? Listen, Icicle, pa nag-engage sila deep, pa-Icicle ng pabalikan nila para mabagal sila bumalik. Okay, so everybody can start.
Stacking Shaper.
Yung try natin na Zer.
Just wait. Dude, come south. Everyone come south. Let them smash the gate kasi. Natagalan tayo kapag di na smash yung gate
Naka-clerical lahat na ng DPS mo.
Malakatan nila mag-northeast muna pagkatapos yan.
Yo, over the wall north side, over the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall. Come back fast, okay?
Hindi ako makalabas.
Careful over the wall. Just wait. 50% is this. 50% on the gate. Careful. Heal up. Kipo.
Patay. Sige po. Shaper.
North side over the wall. 5, over the wall. 4, 3, 2, 1, over the wall only. Come back.
I think naka-AFK.
Okay, 29%, listen, get ready. Listen, get ready. Okay, listen, everyone OC. Yo, get ready. Wait. Let them engage shallow.
Okay,
Bronze get ready,
okay.
okay? Tanks get ready. The
Looking,
moment,
looking,
listen, yo, Shaper. Listen, the moment Liam walks in, right? The moment Liam goes in V, everybody just, everybody walk in, okay?
Labas.
Okay, wait. Careful. Defense shallow. Everyone walk in. Heal me frontline. Walk in and hold them. Look at the choke. Deep. On the J. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go deep. Now keep pushing outside. Push outside. Kill him outside. Alright, push outside. Ready defense inside. Push outside. Yo, Liam's slow. Ready defenses, boys. Ready defense outside, okay? They're gonna look soon. Liam's gonna look. Ready defense on top of me. Liam on the north side. Ready defenses. Wait, boys, wait. Look at me. We're gonna headbutt. Northwest, west side. Potion. Deep west. 5. Headbutt. 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt. Kill everyone inside, okay? Keep pushing. Kill everyone inside. Okay, come east. Brawl the east side. I need heals east side. Heal east side, okay? Heal east side. Heal everything inside. Okay? Now spread. Keep pushing southwest. Keep pushing west, boys. Keep pushing west. Yo, keep pushing west. Club this west side.
Tumitingin sa east si Liam.
Yo, careful. Liam looking east. Looking east, okay? We're gonna headbutt inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt inside. Nice. Keep killing. Heal up in the middle. Heal up on everyone, okay? Now spread and brawl. Yo, spread and brawl. Get out of the middle, boys. Spread and brawl. Get out of the middle. You're all in the middle. Spread. Brawl the clothies, okay? Keep rolling. They're gonna engage soon. Get ready to headbutt. Liam gonna look. Get ready to headbutt, okay? Wait. Yo, inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside on me. Now spread.
Mag-engage na. They engage already.
Yeah, I know. Just keep rolling, okay? Heal up on everyone. Spread, get out of middle. Guardian armors, okay? Guardian armors on the brawlers, okay? Keep pushing them, okay? Just brawl around.
Liam trying to engage, Liam trying to
Yeah.
engage.
Liam's gonna engage soon, We're gonna headbutt again. Get ready. Liam's gonna engage soon. We're gonna headbutt. Get ready to headbutt, boys. Get ready, fast, I need healing on top of me, I'm on top of Liam. Just get ready. Just wait. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside. Endemir. Now spread. Yo, listen. Spread.
Running.
Everyone catch all the Gucci DPS. Catch all the Gucci DPS. Yeah, no need to trash talk. I mean, they gave us a fight, so it's fine. Yo, catch all the Gucci.
North. 3 north. For now.
May blood letter dito.
Yeah, just catch all the Gucci.
Pwede ba yun?
May blood letter.
Ako kay 8 rin Shaper.
6-3 to, blood letter.
Okay.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, see, just did anyone die? Can you X up if you died?
I think somebody
Hey, touch me.
people died.
Overweight ka na.
Nobody died.
Bang mo, pre. Gagi, ano bro? Nice.
Green pa. Pile. Eh, Daddy B. Nagano pa dyan na. Yatay na siya.
5, 4.
Yo, get all the loots.
Oh, napa sa likod yun. Yan.
Yo, see,
Naging kunat naman eh.
if our comp is